study of fossils is called? Option is A. Petrology, B. Geology, C. Paleontology, D. Virology. Answer is option C. Paleontology.
Necessary element of change in solar energy to electric energy is? Option is A. Beryllium, B. Silicon, C. Tantalum, D. Copper. Answer is option B. Silicon.
The device which converts sound energy into electrical energy is? Option is A. Amplifier, B. Speaker, C. Microphone, D. Transmitter. Answer is option C. Microphone.
Electric current in a metal wire is due to the flow of? Option is A. Electrons, B. Protons, C. Ions, D. Holes. Answer is option A. Electrons.
The velocity of sound is more in? Option is A. Water, B. Air, C. Solid, D. Wood. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then comment the answer in comment box.
Which spinner took all the 10 wickets in an innings of a cricket test match? Option is A. Shane Warne, B. Muthaiya Muralidharan, C. Anil Kumbale, D. Ravichandran Ashwin. Answer is option C. Anil Kumbale.
Which one has highest value of specific heat? Option is A. Glass, B. Copper, C. Gold, D. Water. Answer is option D. Water.
The material used in the fabrication of a transistor is? Option is A. Aluminium, B. Copper, C. Silicon, D. Silver. Answer is option C. Silicon.
Air coolers are more suitable for which climate? Option is A. Hot and humid, B. Hot and dry, C. Cool and humid, D. Cool and dry. Answer is option B. Hot and dry.
What is the name of the eastern coast of India? Option is A. Digha Beach, B. Malawar Coast, C. Konkan Coast, D. Coromandel Coast. Answer is option D. Coromandel Coast.
Sun's heat reaches us by? Option is A. Conduction, B. Convection, C. Radiation, D. Reflection. Answer is option C. Radiation.
Tennis player Rafael Nadal belongs to which country? Option is A. Switzerland, B. USA, C. Spain, D. Germany. Answer is option C. Spain.
The audio signals of TV are? Option is A. Amplitude modulated, B. Frequency modulated, C. Unmodulated, D. Velocity modulated. Answer is option B. Frequency modulated.
Which of the following country shares its border with India? Option is A. Bangladesh, B. Afghanistan, C. Sri Lanka, D. Thailand. Answer is option A. Bangladesh. Did you know, the longest sea beach in the world is in Bangladesh?
Red light is used for signals because it has? Option is A. High wavelength, B. High intensity, C. High frequency, D. None of these. Answer is option A. High wavelength.